This is Debbie from Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I'm here to share this week's Happy Mail I've received from some swaps. First one I'm going to start off with is from Lisa. It was part of a pocket letter swap. We did a coffee pocket letter, and this is just absolutely beautiful. So first she started off with this cute little notebook for me with coffee theme, so I'm going to have that in my purses next week, so that's awesome. And I really love this pocket letter. I'm going to move the camera a little bit so that you can see it better. Okay, that looks a little better. So starting off, we've got this real pretty belly band with a butterfly, and she dressed that up real nice, and a little doily. So that's really pretty. I'm going to be stealing a bunch of your ideas, Lisa, so thank you so much for that. And she made a folder for this to go in, and I think that is just absolutely gorgeous. But then when I open this up, here we go with the pocket letter. First thing I noticed was this huge chunky charm. It's got donuts, coffee pot, it's got a pretty angel on there, a cup and saucer. This thing is just beautiful. I want to know exactly how you made that. So I've already said something about wanting tutorials, so that's part of it. And then each of the pieces here has been nicely decorated. Looks like she did all the artwork and everything herself, so this looks really pretty. I like that. And then on the back, we've got lots and lots of bling. So we've got lots of colored rhinestones to use, and she gave me a lot of different die cuts. There's like 8. I already took these out to check it out. So there's 8 of them of this pretty coffee mug and hearts, and then she also gave me the hearts that were cut out from it. This one, it looks like coffee and coffee cups. So let me take a look at that. Hadn't pulled that one out yet. And forgive me again for the shortness of breath here. I'm still working through this mess, so hopefully my health will get better soon. I'm hoping. So, got sugar ball and a milk pitcher. Oh, this is just too cute. Little teacups or coffee cups, and that could be either a coffee pot or a teapot. And of course, she's got duplicates of everything. That is too cute. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa. I really appreciate this. This is just adorable. Then she gave me this is coffee thins. So it's apparently a coffee flavored cookie or something. So I'm gonna have to try that. I hadn't seen that before. And then a couple more die cuts. Looks like they might be. Looks like these are probably dimensional stickers, so that is really cute. 2 coffee mugs and a donut. I love that. Thank you, Miss Lisa. I really appreciate this. This is just above and beyond, and I really appreciate you going through all of that work. This is just too cute. And again, I love this. I have to be able to duplicate that. I absolutely love that chunky charm. That is too pretty. So thank you so much. Let me get this put away, and then I'll go to the next project. Actually, I think I may be taking this one to work to show to some of my friends up at work since I started back this past week. But I've got a couple of them that I know will get a kick out of that. They'll think that is just too pretty. So the next piece I have is from Lisa. We did a rainbow tag swap. And so this is the rainbow tag that she sent me. She also sent me a cute note saying, "Hope you enjoy this rainbow tag I made just for you. I had fun putting it together. Happy crafting." So let me go ahead and open this up so you can see. So it's a fairly large tag, and this is just too pretty. Happy Day down here with the butterfly, the balloons. She used different colors of, feels like washi tape, different colors of washi tape to make the rainbow theme going up. And then she cut out the clouds and the sun. And then she tied it with some tulle, and that just is just too pretty. I love that. And then she also gave me some extra little treats to go along with it. Got a couple of tags in here. And then some puffy stickers. So those are real cute for spring with all the flowers. And some washi tape. Looks like that says embrace the journey. That's nice. And then these die cuts that I believe you can make flowers out of. So I'm going to give that a try. I don't have that die. So I'm going to give that a try and see how that works out. So thank you so much for that, Miss Lisa. That is just, that's a real pretty tag. I really like that. It's so cool. So thank you so much. And then next I've got a bunch of cards. The first card I have is from Linda, and this one is one of the magic slider cards we've been working on. So it starts off with a cute little bird there that looks like it's black and white image, and then when you pull on this, it colorizes it and it's a yellow bird. So that is so cute. So thank you for that, Linda. The next card I have is from Mary, and this looks like one of the bouquet cards that we were doing. I love the background, and then she's got the white over, and that is just too cute, so thank you for that. The next card I have is from Patricia, and it's a birthday card with a cute little panda, and she's got some rhinestones here and pattern paper there, so that is really, really cute. And this one is from a card sketch swap that we were doing, so thank you for that. The next one is from, this one is from Sarah, and it is an A to Z with a C theme that we're doing for one of our swaps, and she chose cats, and I've got 2 black cats actually myself, so I really like this. This is so pretty. I don't know if I have that stamp, but now I have to find it, so thank you for that. I really like that, Sarah. Thank you. And then I wound up with one more envelope that I received in. This one is from actually 2 people. It's a mother-daughter team. I've swapped with them before, so it's Karen and Jenny. They started off with a card just to hold everything, so happy day, so thank you for that. I did get the little the swap cards mixed up, so I don't know for sure who made which one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them both down here. We've got one card from Jenny, it's part of the Anything Goes swap, and the other is from Karen, which is also part of the Anything Goes swap. So this first one I've got is marbleized background. Looks like that might be from where we did the nail polish background before, and then she's got these cute die cuts that are metallic, so that is so pretty. You create beauty. And then this one has got a really cute little panda bear, and that is just adorable. Smile and be happy. So thank you, ladies. I really like those too. And I'm going to just say thank you to everyone who has swapped with me over the last several weeks. I am continuing with some of the swaps, although with having gone back to work even while I'm sick, it's hard for me to have enough time to be able to do much, so I may have to cut back on the number of swaps. However, I am going to still, whenever I get them happy mail in, I figure once a week I'll go ahead and share that all with you guys so you can see your projects on the internet. So thank you so much for swapping with me. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and happy crafting.